Hello everyone, hope you have your hair washed ready, have your ponytail and have the top strip of it split them into three parts and have it braided in a thicker manner. Then combine the braid along with the ponytail we have with multiple hair bands making parts in between. Then pinch out the hair on the ponytail we have at the sides to make it into a bulbous manner, and at the bottom of it make a loop and drop the tip into it and attach it with the rubber band to the ponytail. Split your hair top section and bottom section into two and have one section on either side. Then have ponytails on each of them. Then drop the ponytail on the top section into its own loop and split them into two and braid it and drop it once again into its own loop, making a loop of braid. Then press it against your head, making a bow tie design. Then have each of the braid combined to the respective ponytails. Then after that, with the ponytail we have at the bottom braided and fold it to the top and secure with lovely hairband on top of that. Split your hair at the back into four sections and have ponytails on each of them, with the bottom ones being thinner than the top one. Then split the bottom ones into two and have it braided in a very thinner manner and combine the second and third braid together and combine it with the cornered ones and have the entire braid go to the top and combine it with the ponytail on the top section and have it braided and roll it into a bun and secure with a lovely hairband and hair clutcher. Have a ponytail on the top section and one ponytail on either side and transform the ponytail at the top into three braids and the ponytail at the sides into two braids respectively. Then combine the second and the third one and the fifth and the sixth one with a hair clutcher. Then combine every hair into a common ponytail and release the braid from that point, dropping your favorite hair clutcher on top of that. Have the back section of the hair split by having a circle edge. Then in the middle section of the hair, make multiple parts and have ponytails in each of them and link it together, making multiple hair ties. Then have it combine at the bottom and have multiple rubber bands into it and link it to the ponytail at the back and braid the ponytail and roll it into a bun and have it secure by dropping a beautiful hairpin on top of that and dropping your favorite hairband on top of that. Split your hair from the back vertically into two sections and have each section into multiple parts and have ponytails on each of them. Then split the tail into two and have it combined behind the third ponytail with a rubber band. Do the same vice versa for all the ponytails and combine them with a ponytail at the back with another rubber band. Then stretch the middle part for making it more volume. Then leave the remaining hair as such. Do the same on the left side as well. Split your hair vertically into two sections and have each section into two parts and have the bottom part in a smaller manner and have ponytails on each of them. Then braid the bottom one secure to the top. Then have a beautiful fluffy hairband on top and secure it by having the hair extended on the ponytail. Then with the accessory part of the ponytail we have braid it and make it go around the bun, hiding it. And after that, secure with another rubber band on top of that and have a beautiful hairband on top of it, decorating even more further. Micro ponytail and split them into three sections and have each of them braided and roll the right braid into a bun and have the remaining two folded to half and attach to the sides of the bun and secure with a rubber band. Then roll the excess tips around the bun we created. Then drop in your favorite hairband through the loop and create a knot and have a bow tie design out of it. Apply hair serum onto your hair and split your hair into two sections at the back vertically and have each section into two parts, with the bottom part being bigger. And on the top part, have a ponytail and drop it into its own loop and make it come back and combine with the back section and make it into a braid and drop it into the point and have a beautiful hair clutcher on top of that. Comb the top section of your hair and make a lovely ponytail out of it. Then drop a fluffy rubber band on top of that and hide it by extending your ponytail onto it. Then have a beautiful rubber band onto that, securing it. Then with the remaining ponytail we have on that, have it split them into two and have it braided and make it completely hidden by making it roll underneath the bun we created. Then have it secured by dropping a beautiful hair ribbon on top of that, decorating even more further. Thank you everyone for watching this video.